All right, so I said there wasn't going to be a live broadcast, but I lied. There's going to be a live broadcast. Not a live broadcast where we're actually looking at outside, have our telescope out, because seeing a meteor shower is best with your own eyes because, they strictly the atmosphere, really high speeds, and capturing with the telescope is just it's just luck. So it's better to step outside, look up towards Orion, and see it for yourself. So the Orionids, it's a meteor shower. Basically, it's produced from Halley's Comet. The trail, let me clarify the trail, not the tail. Comets do have tails, but the meteor shower we're seeing is from the trail of Halley's Comet. So, one moment here. Let me get set up with, I'm going to share this to the actual page because it's broadcasting right now in the event. So let me share this to the page first. Where are you? There you are. Let's see him. Yeah, okay, so stay there. We'll have to see. Slow start. It's not really anybody watching right now anyway, so let's figure out how to do this. Discussion. I see myself. It's kind of weird talking and looking at myself on the live. Share to my Okay. So that's shared on. Oh, hold on. Let me share that on my page. Share it everywhere. All right. So I guess I'll wait a little bit till I see someone post on here. I'm not that popular, and that's all right with me. Ooh. That was me. I invited you. You be my only fan right now. I'm just kidding. You don't need to. So you'll see to the right, I have some polls up, some fun trivia questions we can answer. First one is, why do meteor showers happen? Where do comets come from? And why do comets grow a tail the closer they get to the sun? All right, whatever. Let's just start. Okay. So, comets. Composition of a comet is going to be dust, ice, and dust and ice is just, they originate from the Kuiper belt. The oh wow, my first viewer. Wonder who that's from. Composition would be would be dust and ice and rock. Mainly ice, so the ice is made from different elements like methane, nitrogen, stuff. When it gets really, really cold, forms an ice. You got solids, ice, liquids, liquids, and gases. So, anyways, so comet made up of mainly ice. There's smaller amounts of dust and rock. They don't grow any bigger than a few kilometers across. Um, main body is a nucleus, kind of like atoms or cells. They have nucleus. It's the core. It's what makes it up. It's the foundation of a comet, the nucleus. So now let's answer the questions here. So my first question I posted in here is going to be, why do meteor showers happen? So our choices we have, why do meteor showers happen? So the first one, Earth's gravitational pull is pulling asteroids from the asteroid belt. If you're watching this, hopefully you answered it. It's wrong. It's not why we have meteor showers. So meteor showers happen as we're passing through the trail of a comet. So as a comet has a centric orbit around the sun, originates from the Oort cloud Kuiper belt, and as the comet is racing in towards the sun superheats it, which is actually just going to pull into our second question. Anyways, as the sun heats the comet, the ice on the comet, it sublimates, and then the ice turns into gas. So it just totally skips being a liquid, turns into gas, and then as it's streaking towards the sun, it makes this giant tail. So now this tail, as it continues on its path around the sun, it goes towards the perihelion. This tail is now a trail. So now as Earth is orbiting around the sun, I wish I had a visualization thing to show you. So now as Earth is orbiting around the sun, we're going to run into this trail, this comet's trail. So that is now why we see these comets streaking into our atmosphere. These meteors aren't making it towards the Earth. Our atmosphere is doing its wonderful job in protecting us, making sure we don't get blown up. Poor dinosaurs. Uh, they weren't so lucky. But that was kind of that was just a really big meteor. That wasn't really from a comet. That was just unfortunate. Wrong time, wrong place. So that's why meteor showers happen. So now our second question, which I kind of answered, where do comets come from? Comets originate in the Oort cloud or the Kuiper belt. They, again, like I said, they have big eccentric orbits as they streak through our solar system. So they race in really, really close to the sun, but then as they go around the sun, they fly right back out to the edges of our solar system. All right. So next question, which kind of answered already. Whatever. Why do comets grow a tail the closer they get to the sun? Well, as I said, as they get close to the sun, the temperature increases and it sublimates the ice coming off from the nucleus of the comet and turns the ice straight from a solid to a gas. So it totally skips the liquid state. Think of an example. Dry ice. So you know how you put dry ice and you put in water and it fizzles? So that ice, right, as it heats up, it's sublimating. It's taking its icy state, its solid state, from a solid straight to a gas. So sublimation. All right, so there's a little bit interesting things about comets. So what comet is actually causing the Orionids meteor shower seen tonight? That's Halley's Comet. It's kind of a popular comet. If you don't know about it, Google it. So yeah, now the location of the Orionids is going to be up in the Orion constellation. A little bit about Orion. He little mythology. It's not real, but it's cool stuff to learn about. He's chasing the Pleiades. I could go on. I'd have to read a little bit more. I did go to the observatory in Griffith, and they had a little thing about how Orion chases the Pleiades. There's like 6 or 7 chicks or whatever. But that's besides the point. So Orionids, they're not coming from the Orion constellation. like where Orion actually is. So if you look at it, we're looking at the Orion constellation as like as it's facing us. If we were to look at Orion's from the side, like say we're to escape our solar system and we're out to go into intergalactic space, and we try to look at Orion from a different angle, we wouldn't see Orion. Orion wouldn't be there because the stars in Orion, they're different distances apart from the side view, I'd say. So um, again, this meteor shower isn't literally coming from the Orion constellation in the sky because the stars are all scattered. It's just we're looking at it in like a 2D view right now. So if we were to puff it up into a 3D view, we wouldn't see Orion we see today. So it's just in the general vicinity of where the constellation we see Orion. That's where the bulk of the meteor shower we're going to see coming at us. So when you get a chance, it's gonna peak tonight and into the morning. Step outside, look at the meteor shower, make some wishes. Don't tell anybody because they won't come true. Kind of messed up already. Damn, it looks like we're gonna have to deal with the flat Earth theory for a little bit longer. That's okay. So the discussion will continue. If you have any questions, I'll be online answering them. Answer the polls. Share the video. I got a YouTube page, The Average Astronomer. Look it up on YouTube. I'll be slowly building videos for that. So, yeah, peace out.